Hey guys, I hope you all well. As seen already from the title, I'm gonna be doing the Primark Try On Haul. The second one in like a week or two. This time, I swear I popped for socks. I swear guys, I wasn't looking for anything else. Do you ever have this when you go to Primark? I mean, everyone goes to Primark for socks, right? Like you go for socks, you get a bunch of other things, you forget the socks. Cause guess what? I didn't get any socks for me. True story. And I did this so many times that you guys have no idea, literally. Like, I'm like, I'm just gonna pop in for a socks. Like, I know it's not gonna be true, you know? Like, obviously I'm gonna get something else, not just socks. Well, in this case, I didn't even get socks, but let's just forget about it. Okay, I got a few things. Let's just see what I got. I think it's not as big of a haul as my previous one, but you know. So I'm gonna start actually from... I don't know what I should have said from. I can start from anything, right? I'm gonna start from this t-shirt. I went to Zara prior going to Primark and I checked exactly the same t-shirt, which was more than double the price. One-on-one, exactly the same t-shirt. If I'll find, I'll insert the picture here from Zara. Literally, looks exactly the same, just this one is from Primark and it's basically cheaper. So, you ready guys? Dun dun dun. Like simple t-shirt with shoulder pads. In Primark, this cost only £5. In Zara, I think it was £12 or something, so you know, more than double the price. I took in the size S because I wasn't sure if taking size XS or S. I'm usually UK size 6, so would be XS, but kind of wanted, you know, t-shirt to be more oversized. So I went for size S. Yeah, really like it. So it's sleeveless t-shirt with like padded shoulders. It has shoulder pads, it's proper like soft inserts in there, which you can't remove. Sleeveless t-shirt, a bit like the sleeves are taken out more, so it's kind of, you know, baggier kind of looking. Yeah, I really like it. Super simple, casual. You can make it up, you can wear it under blazer and make it more, you know, like elegant kind of chic, you know, look. You can put some necklaces on, you can tie the front if you wish. Super simple t-shirt, really like it, and the price was the best. I mean, £5, you guys. So I took in a color black. We had different colors as well. Do you guys always get the size that you are, you know, your usual size? Like, say I'm size 6, so I don't really go and get everything size 6. I just get what I think would fit me. Like, I don't go by the size. So that's why I feel like I find it harder to shop online because I can't see the actual, you know, product. So the sizing wise, it might not fit me like I would want it to fit me. Does that make sense? Do you guys agree with that? Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I have this thing that, you know, I buy what fits me rather than looking at the actual size, because the sizes are just, you know, yeah, you know what I mean, guys. So to match this super simple t-shirt, I wanted to get some kind of necklace, like a statement necklace, because I thought it would match nicely together. So I went for super bling. This is like 4 necklaces in one and it costs £3. I think this looks really pretty. You get some diamonds as well, like, you know, it's super bling. It can be worn together with, you know, like casual clothes, like simple t-shirt, and you straight away make it more like a statement outfit, you know, with simple necklace. I mean, this is like super bling necklace, but you know what I mean, guys. Or you can even wear with a blazer and make it more, you know, out wear rather than leisure wear. Does that make sense? And it looks pretty on. Do you guys agree? Yeah, really like this. Okay, so I got actually more t-shirts, but these t-shirts were random. Okay, if you watched any of my previous Primark try-on hauls, you guys probably seen that I like to check men's section, what we have in there, because sometimes we do have like pretty good things in there. So this time I went and checked men's t-shirts. I took some pictures as well. I'm gonna include here if I still have this. Like, they have nice hoodies and everything. Like, surprisingly, you should honestly go and check men's section, because sometimes they have really good things. And you know, sizes in men's section goes like XS, S, and so on. So I'm sure you're gonna find something that will fit you or go for oversized look. So I found this few t-shirts which cost, because it was on a sale, only £1. So I could not take it. So yeah. So this t-shirt was discounted, it cost only £1. I took in a size XS. So it has this logo, says Originals NYC. I'm gonna take this sticker off. Yeah, so it says Originals NYC. I really like the simple logo, simple grey t-shirt. My plan, I mean, because even though it's size XS, but because it's from men's section, it looks slightly bit oversized for me rather than going for, you know, female XS, which I actually really like. So my plan is to do a knot while I'm wearing this, or to actually crop the half and make it like a crop t-shirt, you know, oversized looking crop t-shirt, because I really like this look. Maybe even cut the like neckline to make it deeper. I don't know yet, but I thought for £1 I can definitely play around with this and, you know, don't feel bad by cutting it or something. So yeah, that's me. But I think I'm gonna cut it and make a crop t-shirt. So I found one more t-shirt in the men's section that costs only £1. This one is in size S, because we had only one size, so I was like, I'll take it. It's like proper purple color. I thought I don't really have any clothes in purple color, so I was like, perfect. And I really like the slogan. So the slogan, well, I'm just gonna take this sticker. So the slogan says, everything is gonna be fine, which I really loved. I feel like we all need this extra inspo, especially during these times, you know, like extra positivity. So I was like, yeah, I'm definitely taking this. And it was on a sale for £1, so hey. So this one feels a little bit more oversized, as it's size S, like man size S. So once again, I think I'm gonna, or wearing it, I'm gonna wear, you know, in the front knot or back knot or side knot or something, or once again crop it. So it will be like nicely oversized but crop t-shirt, which retails more expensive for some reason rather than a full t-shirt for £1. Yeah, so really happy for this purchase. I'm like randomly, without looking for socks, I mean. I got a few more things in here. I got this beautiful like a blazer sweater. Oh, it's huge actually. Beautiful blazer sweater. I took this in a color Hacky. If you see my previous Primark try on haul, which I did like a week or two ago, I got loads of Hacky colored clothes because, I don't know, it's just like, you know, fall is kinda Hacky color, isn't it? Like Hacky and burgundy and golds. At least for me, this is what I think like works for fall, you know. So this blazer, I like that it has this like nice pattern going on the sleeves. It's slightly bit over side sleeves. I don't know how it's called. I forgot. Bell? Is that called the bell sleeves? Something like this. Puffed sleeves, bell sleeves, I don't know. If you know how to name this sleeves, you know, proper term for it, because I'm sure it's a term, but I just can't think of it up on my tongue for now. Let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, like bigger oversized sleeves, has a belt as well. Yeah, really nice. So it has this pattern going on the sleeves, so like oversized sleeves, and the front, but then the back is super simple. There's no pattern or anything, and the belt is simple. But like that is slightly bit oversized. Plus it's nice to have that kind of cardigan, like a super warm, because it feels like it's woolen cardigan, you know? So super warm cardigan that you can just wrap out on the top of anything. And then if you're too hot, you know, you can easily take it off. I took in a color Hacky, size XS, and this cost £15. Definitely a keeper. Love this. It looks beautifully on, super comfortable. Yeah, really nice. In love. Gonna be wearing this a lot. You guys gonna see me wearing this a lot in my videos. So I got more things, obviously. I got this baby blue color jumper, white shirt, how you call it, because it doesn't have hoodie, so it's not hoodie. Jumper, am I correct to say jumper? I took in a size XXS. I don't know, I didn't even check actually size when I was buying this. As I said, I always check how it looks rather than the size, so I took this in XXS. This cost £12, and it's, look how oversized it is. I mean, I took in a XXS, so it's oversized on purpose, obviously. So if you want this to be even more oversized, go for a bigger size. XXS is just like perfect for me, and I like this, you know, slogan on the front as well. It's cute, don't you think, guys? Baby blue color, super trending color as well. Yeah, love this. I thought this would look nice with like black cycling shorts, or even, you know, leggings, jeans, or like a leather imitation trousers. I thought, yeah. And you can add this necklace that I just showed you that I got and make it more, you know, outwear, like more, you know what I mean, guys? So yeah, really love this. Did I mention that it has this fleece material inside, so it's warm as well? Okay, so I got a few more things. Last time when I went to Primark, I forgot to get any pajamas. I mean, if you ever been to Primark, you know what I mean. I'm sure, like, Primark is famous for the pajamas. They have a huge range all the time. It's super affordable, super cheap. So I got few. I got sets this time. I never before, like, I don't think I ever got sets from Primark. I always was getting, you know, mix and match kind of pajama tops and shorts, but I thought I'm gonna go for the sets. I really liked this one. This says lady shorts pajama set made with sustainable cotton. This is what caught my eye, that this says made with sustainable cotton. It costs only £5. I took in a size XS. I couldn't unwrap it to see the actual size, so I don't know if XS will be rather too tight or proper, you know, like big. we shall see soon. So the t-shirt is white, it has this like little pocket in the front and the side, and the shorts are baby blue and white. Yeah, really like this, like that it's sustainable cotton. I thought it's perfect, you know, for sleeping, should be comfortable because it's cotton, right? And it costs only $5, so I was like, cheap as ship, you know, for a full set of pajama for $5, why not? And I think it looks cute on. What do you guys think? Feels super comfortable because it's cotton, so you know, it's super soft. Yeah, I really like it. What do you guys think? So I got one more set of pajamas. This is more of a, like, you know, fall winter pajamas, as it's more of a, it's warm, like it has this fluffy, it's not fleece, I don't even know how to like describe this material. I hope you guys can see. It has this fluffiness, so it's like proper warm. It could be a loungewear set as well, not only as well, you know, as a pajamas. I took these in a size XS and it cost £12. So you have a long sleeve top and then a proper like joggers, like trousers, kind of like a joggers. I took in a light brown color. Oatmeal. Here you go. What's light brown? Oatmeal. Sorry, Primark. They had different colors as well. We had grey and white, I think, and something. I thought that I don't have anything in this shade, like pajama wise, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna take this, and it could be perfect for lounging around the house as well. It feels super soft. They call this super soft pajamas, made using recycled materials. So once again, I really like that they said they use recycled materials for this. For previous pages is, you know, sustainable cotton. So I was like, I really like that, you know, Primark stepping up the game for, you know, all the recycled materials, using recycled materials, being sustainable and all. Yeah, really like this about Primark. Love how this PG set looks on. Feels super comfy, you guys. This a bit actually reminds me the Kim Kardashian Skims, you know, her sets that she's keep promoting. So she has kind of, you know, this fluffy sets as well. She has like super like fluffy sets, but actually Primark has as well. I've seen it actually in my Primark this time when I went in, but all the sizes were far too big for me, and it was super affordable as well. Looked actually like Skims copy, you guys, I'm telling you. This Pages feels amazing on, like super comfortable, you guys, for lounging around the house when you know it's miserable outside, feeling super cozy. Yeah, love this. Love this. So these are all items I got for myself in this mini Primark haul. I got some things for my hubby, but I think it's probably not interested in the man stuff. If you are, let me know in the comments below, so next time I'll do a Primark try on haul, I'm gonna show you what I get for my hubby as well, because usually if I'm shopping and I see something nice that would look nice on my hubby, I get it for him as well. That's why I go to men's section, you know, and then I find things for myself that I like. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this Primark try on haul video. Let me know in the comments down below which items are your favorite, and if you have any of these already, and what you like to see next up on my channel. Should I do more try on hauls, not only Primark, maybe Zara? I was checking Zara had some actually really nice things, or more like review videos, more tutorials. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Oh, by the way, this shirt, if you're wondering that I'm wearing, this is from Primark as well, but this is from like last season, so I don't think they would have this in stores, although who knows, you know, because of the corona and all, we might have old stock in some stores, so you might find this shirt. It's like check print shirt. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. I'm mentioning this in every single of my videos because it's really important if you press the button, because you will be, you know, supporting me in a way, like it's for free, it doesn't cost you anything. And if you press the bell button, you know, that it notifies you about my videos, would support me even more. If you watch my videos and press the thumbs up, that would support me even more. If you would leave a comment down below, it would support me even more. It doesn't cost you anything. Yeah, thank you so much for your support, guys. Have a lovely day. Thanks for watching. Bye.